What is going on, everyone? Happy Friday. Today's Friday, January 28th. If you're on the East Coast, you're probably getting a big storm coming in tonight. So stay safe if you're out on the East Coast. I'll be out in it tonight, driving around. Maybe I'll post some videos on Twitter or something else. Um, but we'll see. Let's get right into the charts. I made a video earlier, and of course the audio didn't come out, so I'm doing it over again. Let's get right to the charts. All right, so um, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Start on the weekly. So the weekly, I was worried last week, right? We closed below the cloud, and we still got 2 days to go. We look like we're regaining the bottom of the cloud, right? We still have 2 days. Anything can happen in 2 days. It's the weekend. I don't really like the price action on the weekend, but it is what it is. So let's look at the 3 day. 3 days still below the Tankinson and Kijitson. It is slowly rising. We have no signal to get in or anything. 1 day, the Tankinson's still heading down, right? We are right up against it, which means we're probably on the lower time frames, probably in the cloud or about to break the cloud on the 4 hour. If you look on the daily, we are still in this descending channel. We are on the upper half of the descending channel, and the Kijitson is right here at 40,233, and coincidentally, so is the top of that downward trend. So I've been talking about it for, last week I mentioned there's a possibility we go back up to 40,000, and I still think that's possible. We didn't get a buy signal tonight, but we will get one tomorrow, but that's going to create another problem for us, right? Because if this thing goes up tonight, it goes back up to the Kijitson, now we got a dilemma, because we'll be getting a signal, but we'll be still below the Kijitson, and at the top of that descending channel. So the question would be tomorrow, are we going to break this channel and finally start heading back up? Or are we going to get rejected from this channel again? So that's the dilemma that we'll have tomorrow if price continues to go up tonight. Let's look at it on the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, we're in the cloud, right? We don't like to trade in the cloud. But we did have price rising on the Kijitson and Tankinson on the 4 hour. It's a possibility we get rejected from 38,245, which is one of the resistance level I was also talking about, and the 38,900 level, which we keep getting rejected from, right? We got rejected here. It's a possibility we get rejected again up here or even here. So not touching Bitcoin tonight. I was looking at CRO tonight, and I took a trade on CRO tonight. Let's look at the 1 week on CRO. CRO is still above the cloud on the weekly. We have been trending downwards, right? And if we don't break 46 cents by Sunday, we'll still be in this downtrend on the weekly. Let's look at the 3 day. 3 day looks like it is holding the cloud, right? We came right back down to the cloud. We look like we're about to bounce off of it. We're still down below the Tankinson, and still below the Kijitson. And the Chico span is coming below price over here. So what I'm looking at with CRO though is we were in this descending wedge, and we do look like we're breaking out of the wedge, which is a good thing. The 1 day, right? We look like we're finally breaking. We hit it, bounced off of it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Now we're breaking through. So I took a trade tonight on this. We were also getting a signal. We've been getting a signal since 2 days ago, but I didn't take it because we were still below the Tankinson, right? I usually like to take my signals above the Kijinsen. So tonight this is an aggressive trade. Because we're not above the Kijinsen, which is my better trade to be had. It's a little bit more risky, but I decided to go with it. The Kijinsen is coming down tonight, right? And tomorrow will come down a little bit more, and possibly a little bit more. I'm hoping that price comes back up to 50 cents. That is the trade I'm looking for right now. So I would take some profits here at 45 cents and see if we could break the Kijinsen, and then I'd be looking for a move to 50 cents and possibly 55 cents. I did post the numbers I'm looking for. This the 12 hour I took it on. So here's my ATR. So my ATR on 12 hours telling me to take profits at 44.91, 47.75, and 50.60, right? So 0.5060, which would put us around here. I think we'll probably have some problems over here if we make it through. 4 hour is 4 hour. I believe we just broke above the cloud on the 4 hour. Yes, we broke above the cloud. We do look like we're going to get a Kumo twist here, back to positive. The Chico span's above price. So let's see what happens with CRO tonight. But and then tomorrow, if everything goes good on this trade on the 12 hour, tomorrow, let's see what that'll leave us with tomorrow. 1 day. Right, depends. If we break the Kijinsen tomorrow, maybe we'll take another trade on CRO on a higher term time frame. But that's all I have for tonight, guys. Like I said, if you're on the East Coast, be safe tonight. It's supposed to be a pretty nasty storm. So I'll be in it all night until I think I'm going out tonight in midnight, and I won't be back until about 8 a.m. So I'll be out in the storm for the thick of it for most of the night. Maybe I'll go down to Times Square, take some pictures in Times Square, post them to Twitter most likely. I haven't really started my Instagram account yet. I really haven't decided what to do with it. So maybe I'll post them to my Instagram. We'll see. Anyway, have a good night. Stay safe. Trading as well. All right. And talk to you soon.